Strategies are stored in PAT as projects and meeting minutes. Meeting minutes can apply to any type of meeting. And projects are awesome to manage in PAT. You can use them for anything. The minutes format is the same for projects. It records multiple topics, action points, and notes. Minutes and projects are database driven and are fully integrated with the task management capability of PAT. In fact, an action point is a task. So this is where you'll find all of the minutes and projects you've created or you've been invited to as a guest. You can create your own strategies by clicking on the plus button. This is how you put anything into PAT, and then just selecting the minutes icon. Note, you will need to make sure that pop-ups are allowed for the www.peopleandtasks.com domain. If you don't, every time you create a new set of minutes, you'll have to open and close the minutes tile to refresh PAT to let you know that you've added it. If you remove pop-ups, it'll spawn straight away. And there's some good information on how to do that in the accompanying document to this module. So adding stuff into minutes is really simple. If you want to add a topic or a note or an action point, just click and hold and you'll notice a little shadow drops up. Then just drag it where you want it and release it. And moving existing notes and action points is exactly the same. Click and hold and then just drag it and release it where you want it. Now just note, where you release it, it will drop in above the point that you released it. So tasks are exactly the same as action points. And there's a bit of a benefit here. If you're in a hurry and you want to quickly add an action point to a set of minutes, just add the new task, and by using the advanced option you can quickly access all these minutes and projects you're already a part of. Select one and that will drop directly into that set of minutes or project. Now, tasks that have been assigned to you appear from within a set of minutes or a project appear here in your new task inbox, just like a new task. And also like a new task, they move over to your to-do section once you click them to confirm you've read it. If a task is part of a set of minutes or a project, you'll see this icon on the task. Click this and it will jump you directly to and open that set of minutes or project for you. Now, members over here are added to minutes and projects as guests by clicking on the group people icon. And normally only minutes or a project owner can author and edit the minutes or project. However, the owner can change the status of a guest to an author here, which is handy if the owner is unable to attend a review meeting. Someone else can run it for them. When a set of minutes is closed, people who attended are marked off here, and they receive a copy of the minutes for their records via email. If they weren't ticked and they didn't attend, PAT sends these people a task to review the minutes, and because the person who chairs the minutes or runs the project is the task assignor, these tasks appear in their to manage section of PAT. And attendees who have read the minutes and want to complete the task send the task completion request to the minutes or the project owner. Lastly, the minutes icons over here. Let's just run through these. So the clock there, that's minutes, and this allows you to convert an action point into a subset of minutes, or a sub-project. This is really handy for related projects or branches. Dark grey signifies an action point which has been converted. Guests can click here to add and retrieve attachments. Dark grey tells you there are attachments, and you can see the number that tells you how many attachments. Guests can also view and add comments by clicking on the comment icon. The edit icon over here is used to edit the action point and can only be accessed by the owner or a delegated author. And click on this to hide a topic or a note. You can hide an action point, but you need to complete it first. So over here, only an owner or an author can complete this to complete action points. When an action point is completed, it still stays on the minutes or the project plan. The font changes to green, and some people like to keep them here to retain the information, but when you're ready to remove them, simply click the hide icon. Thanks for watching.